In this quick guide, we'll be walking you through how to use JungleScout's sales rank tracker to make smarter decisions for your Amazon business. If you've ever wondered how to track product rankings effectively, this video is for you, so stick around till the end, where I'll reveal an exclusive offer to try JungleScout for free with bonuses you won't want to miss. JungleScout's sales rank tracker is a powerful tool that gives you insights into how well products are selling on Amazon. By tracking the sales rank of products over time, you get a clear picture of trends and can spot opportunities where demand is rising. This tool helps you to make data-driven decisions on what products to sell and avoid getting stuck with slow-moving inventory. To get started, you first need to enter JungleScout's platform. Once you're in, head over to the Sales Rank Tracker section. From here, you can add any product you want to track. Whether it's a competitor's product or something you're thinking about launching, this tool allows you to monitor the sales rank for any ASIN. You simply need to input the ASIN or the URL of the product you want to track. After that, JungleScout does the heavy lifting by providing real-time updates on the product's sales rank. The key thing here is that you can track how the product is performing over time, which is invaluable for understanding seasonality, spikes in demand, and overall sales trends. Now, one of the standout features of this tool is its historical data. You can look at a product's past sales rank to see how it's been performing over the weeks, months, and even years. This helps you identify patterns, whether certain times of the year drive higher sales, or if a product's rank is dropping over time, which may indicate a potential red flag. Another important aspect to consider is tracking multiple products at once. JungleScout's sales rank tracker makes it easy to compare the performance of different products side by side. This is crucial when you're deciding which product to invest more time and resources into. Not only does the tool help with tracking sales rank, but it also lets you set alerts for changes in rank. This way, if a product's ranking spikes or drops suddenly, you get notified immediately, allowing you to act fast, whether that means adjusting your marketing strategy or deciding to jump on an emerging product trend. The data JungleScout provides isn't just numbers. It translates into actionable insights that you can use to optimize your listings, adjust your pricing, and time your promotions better. By understanding the sales rank and its fluctuations, you can avoid wasting money on products that aren't selling well and focus on those that have potential for growth. For those of you looking to really dig into your competition, you can also track products sold by your competitors and analyze how their sales ranks are performing. This will help you stay ahead of the curve, identify gaps in the market, and find niches with low competition but high demand. And here's the exciting part. You can actually try out JungleScout's sales rank tracker for free with exclusive bonuses when you click the first link below. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss your chance to get hands-on with the tool that's trusted by Amazon sellers worldwide. To sum up, JungleScout's sales rank tracker is an essential tool for anyone serious about Amazon selling. It's simple to use, provides in-depth insights, and gives you a competitive edge in the market. Remember, the link below will get you access to a free trial and exclusive bonuses, so you can explore all these features for yourself. Try it today and take your Amazon business to the next level.